Hello, it's Angelo Pucci and welcome to our newest listing at 60 Ventura Lane in Central Ajax. This freehold condo townhome features 3 bedrooms, 3 washrooms, open concept living room, dining room, large family size eating kitchen. But to tell you more about it, Kim is standing by. Kim, are you ready?
I am.
Let's take it away.
Enjoying a great location within a gated community in the Applecroft neighborhood of Central Ajax. Welcome to 60 Ventura Lane. This 3-level, 3-bedroom freehold condominium townhome also features 3 washrooms, a covered front porch, and off its ceramic tiled entrance foyer is interior access to the single-car garage as well as a coat closet. Freshly painted and naturally bright throughout, the ground level of this home features a carpeted family recreation room with a sliding door walkout onto a back patio, a laundry area with washer and dryer behind a set of double doors, as well as lots of storage space. Carpeted staircases with hardwood railings carry to the 2nd and 3rd levels, with the 2nd level featuring the principal rooms. The eat-in kitchen is incredibly spacious and is finished with ceramic tiled floors as well as backsplashes behind the stove and double sink. Offers abundant cabinetry storage and counter workspace, and includes the oven, fridge, and dishwasher. Off the hallway is a storage and broom closet, as well as a powder room with a pedestal sink and ceramic flooring. And light-colored laminate flooring flows throughout the combined living and dining rooms, enhancing the bright, airy feel of these wonderful entertaining spaces. Off the living room is a sliding door walkout onto a covered balcony overlooking the street, and during the warm weather months, the balcony can be enjoyed as a cozy spot for alfresco dining or simply for relaxing at the end of a long workday. The uppermost level is carpeted throughout, and near the end of its hallway is a niche space suitable for a sitting area or a computer desk. Of the 2 family bedrooms at the end of the hall, the 3rd bedroom features a ceiling fan and a single closet, while the 2nd bedroom comes with a spacious double closet. And these bedrooms share the main 4-piece washroom, which has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as a linen closet conveniently placed right outside its door. The master bedroom also has a ceiling fan and showcases wall-to-wall closet space as well as its own 4-piece ensuite washroom. A great starter home close to a public and a Catholic school. Other nearby amenities include the Westney Heights and Durham Center shopping plazas, the McLean Community Center, Millers Creek Community Park, as well as public transit. And it's just a short drive to the GO station and for access to Highway 401.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour. As we said, it's a beautiful home. We'd love to show it to you, so feel free to call us on our cell, 416-627-4610. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and visit our website at teampucci.com. Thank you.